Good afternoon, students of class 8. As we have already discussed the lessons in your live class, your portions have been completed. So we are now in the revision time. We are doing all revisions work. You have already revised the French Revolution part, chapter 3 in the Age of Revolution, which is there in your portion. Then you are doing the rise of British power in Bengal. Then you are doing 1857 revolt. And then you all are doing the lessons of United Nations and the specialized agencies with the UNICEF, also UNESCO and WHO. So in civics, the two lessons are there with United Nations and their specialized agencies are also there. And United Nations, which is body, that is General Assembly, Security Council, International Court of Justice. So you have already read, revisions have already been done, and the previous class I have given you the revision work on the worksheet, which you have all attended. Good, it is very nice. And the answers of those worksheet will also be given today. Check it in your study material section. And today also I have given you one revision worksheet, and the answers of it also I have given in study material section. Attend it, try it, then you tally it, the answers. Then you tally your answers, then you see that what is right, what is wrong. Okay, but first attend it. Huh? Okay, students, thank you, best of luck. Revise for your examination, annual examination. As you have already completed all the revision works, all the lessons are completed. That is your French Revolution, the rise of British power in Bengal, and the 1857 revolt, and with United Nations chapter 19 and its specialized agencies, and the UNESCO, UNICEF and WHO, the organs you have to study also. So revise it and do the revision worksheets which is given, practice it. Thank you, students.